In this video, I will present you the Apify integration that I've built, and the purpose is to show you the ins and outs of this this little integration. So, what's Apify? It's a tool that allows you to scrape pretty anything with tools. Like, we can go to the store. And you can create a free account and have $5 credits per month, and go to console.apify.com and go to the store to view all the actors. So I've integrated 3 actors. This one, the website content crawler, this Instagram scraper, and YouTube scraper. Okay, so once you have an Apify account and that you're in Botpress Studio, you can install the Apify web scraping integration, and you only need to have your API key. So go to settings in Apify, API and integration, and create an API token that you can copy and paste. Save your configuration, and that's it. Okay, so the first task is let's start with the website. First of all, the integration is built with cards and with one event card that trigger when the scraping is finished. So these cards are only triggering the after. So it starts the after, but it doesn't give you the actual results. So in order to retrieve the results, you need to pass a conversation ID here if you want them to use this trigger and use the data in a conversation. And you have the URL field. You can also choose to use a sitemap. So these fields are basically the fields that are in Apify directly. So you can look at the fields here and just fill this field appropriately. Okay, so for example, we'll do that with this little page that has approximately no text. And if I store the output in this variable, you'll see that there is no data. So no output. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so we have the run ID. If we go to our account, we'll see that our actor is running currently. Yeah, we can go to links just there, and it's running, and soon we'll get results. So that's not here for now. That should arrive. Okay, so this is this one. So there is a mess here. For example, if you want to retrieve only the text of the page, you can use this syntax. we'll make the test. But before that, I've created a system that allows you to filter efficiently the trigger. So as you can see, there is a field type field, and you can create filters thanks to that. So you can just write that, and this is the trigger for a website. This is the one for Instagram, I guess. Yeah. And this is the one for YouTube search. So basically, if I discover this event, this is this one. This will only trigger this call. So we'll see the result. Okay, so this is the text that is here. That is here. Okay. So let's continue with the second one. That is Instagram scraping. Once again, you have to enter the conversation ID, and you can give either an Instagram URL, describe the posts, or the profile. So you have to write details if you want to retrieve the profile details, or posts if you want posts, and you can choose the number of posts you want. For example, I will make a test. So this is an Instagram URL, and I will retrieve the 3 first posts of this account. Okay. This should be a little longer, and we can go to the runs. We see that the Instagram scraper is triggered. And we'll wait for the event. So this may take around 1 minute or 1.5, I don't know. But that's why I've created triggers instead of just cards that are giving you the results, because in Botpress you cannot create cards that are taking longer than 1 minute. So yeah, done. And we can see this here. Select this data, and yeah, okay, this is this one. I don't know. We'll try to see how to get what we want. So for example, items 0, caption, we can get the text, or we can get, for example, the images, I guess, the number of comments, a lot of things like that you would find on Apify directly. So if I want the text of the first post, I can write caption, and then I will trigger this again. Okay, so I'm getting the text of the first post scraped. And let's continue to the last scraping card, and that's a YouTube scraping actor. So I will add the conversation ID. Here you can either choose to enter a search term like you will do in the YouTube search bar, or you can just enter a YouTube URL like a video or a channel or a playlist or what you want, and we can just get one result, for example. And for the example, I will search for Botpress. Okay. We can check the runs. So this is running and it's already finished. Yeah. So the results are there. And if I trigger this event, okay, yeah, you can also get the thumbnail URL and a lot of things again. Okay, that's already the end of this video. Don't hesitate to ask your questions either in the Discord or directly in the YouTube comments, and I'll be happy to answer them.